When you think of football, don't think about a guy who is smoking a cigarette using his leg, or even think about a group of people doing a jaw-dropping thing. That is strange. But when you think of football, think of ankle-breaking skills like this. Now that is football. Football is a sport that requires consistency, and Khama Billiat, as the most paid footballer in South Africa, has achieved that. People think that when you're the most paid footballer, nothing could go wrong. You have the money, you got everything, but that's not the case when it comes to Khama Billiat. Did you know that in January 2019, Khama Billiat was cyberbullied by fraudsters? His Facebook and Twitter accounts were hacked, and the hackers demanded $10,000 from him. And the hackers threatened to create a big scandal Africa has never seen. They even threatened to humiliate the Zimbabwean government in the process. Everyone started to sympathize with Khama Billiat. Emotionally, the talisman was left hopeless, and even his performance in the training grounds was that low. The hackers left Billiat's Instagram account functional because they had to keep an avenue open for the two parties to keep on communicating. Warriors team manager Wellington Bandare, at that time who was counseling the Kaizer Chiefs star, said this has left Billiat badly shaken. In his own words, he gave a long emotional statement. He said, "I have constantly been in touch with him since he alerted me of what had happened that weekend, and I can tell that it has been a terrible few days for him and his family. He is a young man in a very big city, in a foreign country, and you begin to wonder what else such people can try to do if they don't succeed in their mission to try and con him his hard-earned money. Khama is a very important member of our national team, and the last thing we want is for him to be unsettled by people who think they can push him into a corner and try to milk what he has worked hard for. We have a very important AFCON qualifier against Congo Brazzaville very soon. Some people might think it's far away, but when you realize we only have February coming and then boom, we are in March, you will understand that we are very close to that match. We are offering Khama as much help as we can, and we have been working with the authorities in this country because they have to know what is happening, given this is a Zimbabwean citizen, a high-profile sporting ambassador for the country, who is being traumatized like that. However, rumor had it that Khama Billiat was not the only victim to cyberbullying, as Gatsande and Peter Ndlovu had fallen prey also. The biggest question that people were asking at that time is why they were targeting Khama Billiat. Well, after some investigation that myself and the crew behind the scene did, we did find out that is when Khama Billiat moved to Kaizer Chiefs, and that's when he became the most expensive football player in South Africa. Bear in mind, people of the internet, life is full of surprises and anything can happen. It doesn't matter if you are poor or rich. Being a footballer is never an easy experience, but it requires you to work hard, and it is not enough fact that football pays very well. Yes, it does. Well, folks, that's all I had for you today, and I've been your host, Billiat, and please, the voice is yours in the comment section below. Tell me what you think, and importantly, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. For now, hoorah!